Hey there, it's Sarah. Have you ever wondered what qualities younger women adore in men? Today, we're going to uncover the key characteristics that make older men particularly appealing to younger women. These traits can be subtle, hidden in their maturity, life experiences, or even in their emotional intelligence. Stick around for our bonus tip, which ties all these points together beautifully. It's a key insight into enhancing your appeal and understanding. Stay tuned for it. Before we unpack today's topic, feel like your dating life could use some expert advice? Book a free strategy call by clicking the link in the description or pinned comment. Ready to discover what younger women truly adore? Let's dive in and explore these qualities together. 1. Maturity and stability. Maturity and stability are like the North Star for younger women navigating the often turbulent seas of life and relationships. Imagine being in a storm and finding a lighthouse that guides you safely to shore. That's the kind of impact a mature and stable man can have. Younger women are drawn to the calm and confidence that come with life experience and self-assuredness. Older men often have a solid grasp on who they are and what they want, which translates into a level of emotional stability that younger men often lack. This maturity provides a sense of security and reliability that is incredibly attractive. For instance, an older man is more likely to approach challenges with a level-headed calm, finding solutions rather than getting swept up in the drama. His life experiences have taught him the importance of patience, empathy, and clear communication, all traits that create a strong, dependable partner. Imagine a scenario where a younger woman is stressed about her career or personal life. An older man, with his wealth of experience, can offer not only advice, but also a comforting presence. He's the one who remains unflustered in a crisis, listens attentively, and provides thoughtful insights that come from years of navigating similar situations. This reliability builds a foundation of trust, making her feel secure and valued. Mature and stable behaviors include keeping your word, keeping up a steady job, and displaying an intimate understanding and regard for her opinions and feelings. His maturity comes through in the small things, such as being on time, keeping his word, and resolving disagreements peacefully. 2. Life experience. Life experience is like a beautiful fabric with lessons learned, triumphs, and exciting adventures interwoven. An older man's life experiences can have a captivating charm for younger women. It's not only about getting older, it's also about the stories that come with it, the accounts of far-off places seen, difficulties surmounted, and life lessons learned. Older men often come with a treasure trove of fascinating stories that can captivate a younger woman's imagination. Picture this: a quiet evening, and he's sharing an incredible story from his past, a spontaneous trip across Europe, a business venture that taught him resilience, or a life lesson learned the hard way. These narratives are not just entertaining. They offer insights and perspectives that can be both inspiring and enlightening. These rich experiences add layers of depth and complexity to a man's character, making him intriguing and multifaceted. An older man who has navigated the highs and lows of life can offer a younger woman a sense of wisdom that is both comforting and empowering. He can draw from his past to provide guidance on current issues, offer a fresh perspective, or simply be a reassuring presence who has been there and done that. 3. Generosity and wisdom. Generosity and wisdom are like the gentle hands of a skilled gardener, nurturing and guiding a delicate plant to full bloom. For younger women, the guidance and direction that older men can offer are invaluable treasures. These men, having navigated the labyrinth of life, possess a wealth of knowledge and insights that can illuminate the path for those still finding their way. Imagine a younger woman striving to climb the corporate ladder, feeling overwhelmed by the pressures and uncertainties of her career. An older man, with his seasoned perspective, can provide mentorship that is both practical and inspiring. He might share stories of his own career challenges and triumphs, offering strategies that helped him succeed. This kind of support is not just about solving immediate problems. It's about instilling confidence and resilience. Consider another scenario. A younger woman facing a significant life decision, unsure of which path to take. An older man's wisdom can serve as a guiding light, helping her weigh the pros and cons, foresee potential outcomes, and make a choice that aligns with her values and aspirations. His advice, rooted in experience, can be a source of clarity and comfort in times of uncertainty. 4. Emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence is like a finely tuned instrument, capable of playing the harmonious melodies that make relationships thrive. For younger women, the importance of emotional intelligence and understanding in a relationship cannot be overstated. It's the secret ingredient that transforms a good partnership into a truly exceptional one. Older men often possess a higher degree of emotional maturity, a quality that sets them apart in the dating landscape. This maturity stems from years of navigating the complexities of human emotions and relationships, learning to manage their own feelings while understanding and respecting those of others. It's not just about having been around longer, it's about having lived, learned, and grown through life's myriad experiences. Consider a younger woman who is going through a difficult time in her personal or professional life. Even before she expresses her discomfort, an older man with strong emotional intelligence can sense it. He understands when to lend a sympathetic ear, when to offer consolation, and when to just be there. She feels understood and respected in a secure and encouraging environment because of his capacity for better emotional connection and empathy. This emotional intelligence also translates into a more balanced and less reactive approach to conflicts. Instead of escalating arguments, an older man is likely to approach disagreements with patience and a desire to understand. He listens actively, considers the other person's perspective, and seeks solutions that respect both parties' feelings. This kind of emotional maturity fosters a relationship built on mutual respect and trust. Liking what you're hearing? Hit the like button and drop a comment. And if you're curious about taking your dating skills further, our free 60-minute strategy call can help you learn to meet more women and date with confidence. Click on the link in the pinned comment to find out more. 5. Financial security. Financial security is like the bedrock upon which many dreams are built, providing a stable foundation that allows a relationship to flourish. For younger women, the appeal of financial stability and security that older men can offer is immensely attractive. It's not just about wealth, it's about the peace of mind and future planning that comes with financial wisdom and experience. Older men often bring a wealth of knowledge when it comes to managing finances and planning for the future. Their years of experience navigating the financial landscape mean they've likely learned valuable lessons about budgeting, investing, and saving. This financial acumen can be incredibly beneficial for a younger woman looking to build a secure and prosperous life. Imagine a younger woman who dreams of buying her first home but feels overwhelmed by the complexities of mortgages and interest rates. An older man with his financial expertise can guide her through the process, offering advice on securing the best deals and planning for future expenses. His guidance not only helps her achieve her goal, but also alleviates the stress that comes with financial uncertainty. Financial security in a relationship provides a sense of stability that allows both partners to focus on personal growth and shared aspirations. It removes the constant worry about money, enabling them to enjoy life's experiences together. Whether it's traveling to new destinations, starting a family, or simply enjoying quality time without the burden of financial stress, this stability is a cornerstone of a fulfilling relationship. 6. Respect. With their abundance of life experience, older men have come to understand the true importance of treating women with respect. This regard is significantly embedded in their behaviors and attitudes, going beyond simple politeness. It's keeping the door open, paying close attention without talking over her, and respecting her viewpoints just as much as his own. This type of respect results from realizing the value of equality and reciprocal admiration in a partnership. Imagine a younger woman who is passionate about her career and personal growth. An older man, recognizing her ambitions and dreams, will support her endeavors wholeheartedly. He respects her autonomy and encourages her to pursue her goals, offering guidance when needed but never overshadowing her aspirations. This level of respect creates a partnership where she feels cherished, valued, and truly understood. This respectful attitude also means being considerate in the small things, remembering her favorite coffee, noticing when she's had a tough day, and being there with a kind word or a comforting gesture. It's about making her feel special and appreciated every single day. This consistent display of respect and thoughtfulness can make a younger woman feel like the queen of his world. Bonus tip: confidence and self-assuredness. As promised, here's the bonus quality that ties everything together beautifully: confidence and self-assuredness. Older men, being more secure in their identities, exude a natural confidence that is irresistibly attractive. This confidence is not about arrogance or bravado. It's a quiet, steady assurance that comes from truly knowing oneself. This self-assuredness creates a strong and magnetic presence that draws younger women in. An older man's confidence is evident in the way he carries himself, speaks, and interacts with others. It's the calm in his voice, the certainty in his decisions, and the ease with which he navigates social situations. This kind of confidence provides a sense of stability and safety, making her feel secure and protected. Imagine being at a social gathering where the older man is effortlessly engaging with people, making everyone around him feel comfortable and valued. His confidence radiates, creating an atmosphere of warmth and positivity. For a younger woman, this self-assuredness is incredibly appealing. It's the assurance that he knows who he is and is comfortable in his own skin. So now you know qualities younger women adore in men. Discover 13 clear signs girls think you're good-looking, or learn 20 signs a younger woman is thinking about you sexually. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more.